Hey y'all, Country been back again. We're putting this thingamajigger back on there. It's an old one. So, yeah, you see how bored out that is compared to that new one? Yeah. Yeah, we went out there and made tractor and paid $27 for friggin' this switch, but oh well. There's the thingamajigger here. Can y'all see that? No, I'm filming over there. I cleaned them prongs and stuff, so yeah. Now, so if we go up underneath here to put this new one on, what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna move that little thingamajigger out of the way, and I'll watch YouTube on this. So when you push it, you just push it, and it pops right in that place right there. Perfect, fixed. Now, you gotta go under here and find that little thing. I don't know if y'all can see. Yeah. And let's see, how's that? I think it goes like that, don't it? Sucker's kind of hard to get. Ain't going up there. Let's see. What's that? Somebody's mowing, but I don't know who, but oh well. Yes, that one it has to be. I know it's that one, so I'm gonna just push that on there. Let me see. I don't want to go on there, does it? Let me get in detail looking here. Get my eyeballs in here. How the frick does that? I don't think it's all go in there. Sucker's tight. What the? Oh, that's not sure ain't what I want to do, but I think I'm gonna have to do that. So hold on. Oh, let me. If I can. I didn't want to come back out there. Won't go up there. I'm gonna pause y'all.
Yeah, well, let me check it out.
Alright, y'all. My papa's down here now and he's going.
Where's it at here?
I don't know. There's the little. See how it's up there and it ain't going? Might have to do some modification. Yeah, I reckon so.
Oh, God.
If you can get it up there, I ain't got the strength.
It's on there as far as it goes.
Well, let's shut this unit here down and we move some stuff here real fast. I'll walk over here. That can go there. Well, let's see if we got anything. If we don't, I'll have to burn it. Oh yeah. Might have to choke it. Hold on. Oh yeah. Working good now. Well, that's fixed. Well, yeah, that's got it fixed. Country Ben signing off.